Oh, there he is. Ah!
Ficus tree.
Yes, that's right there, ficus. Ficus sciatus bula. Hot enough for you, Dad?
When you're not using the camera, turn it off so you don't kill the battery.
I just let mine run. It works that way. Video. Ooh, it's down there. Where?
On the tree.
Ooh, a little birdie.
There's two. One right there, the red one.
The least blocking. Scroll over, Dizzy. Camera time to the right. Here we go. The sun is hot right here. Where?
Look at that butterfly down there. Missed it. Flew away.
It's okay, Liz. We'll get it next time. The birds? What?
There's two types. One green one and blue
I
one.
can't see your head's in the way. Oh yeah. Little lovebirds. Not really.
Not really.
They could be in love, you never know. But they're not lovebirds.
There's butterflies all in there.
Oh, butterfly exhibit. Come on, Dad. Butterflies in there. Ow. I can't. Oh, God. Oh, man, a lot of birds around here. Look at this one. Focus. There we go. Oh, we lost them.
See any monkeys? No, that's what I've been looking for.
I've seen no monkeys as of yet. Probably up in the trees somewhere.
Yeah, what think so?
Maybe hiding.
Nocturnal?
No, I don't think so.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
Oh, yeah, I saw them earlier.
I'm sorry. There's a monkey. There's a monkey.
It's a minky. Hey, let's go over to the butterfly exhibit.
There's a bird right there. Oh, cool.
Come on, Dad. Butterflies, Lizzie. Let's see what we got in here. Where are all the butterflies at? Oh, there's one over here. Fluttering about. Lost him. It's not dead, is it? That one might be dead. Okay. Here's a board of all the species of butterflies that I have here in exhibit. Oh my God. There he goes. Oh! He's following me. Oh, here, Liz, look. It's a cool one.
Look at that one.
Oh, I scared him off. I was trying to hold them. Which one, Liz? They don't want their fruit today, I guess. That one's fanning himself over there. Huh. There's a yellow one over there. I almost held one. I almost did. Shortness. A little bit. Oh my God!
Lizzie.
Lizzie, there's one on Danny.
Lizzie.
There's a butterfly on Danny. Go this way, right next.
I think I'm a flower, I guess, because I'm all bright red.
Yeah. Where'd it go, Dad? I think so too. It's on you.
Oh, I scared him off. Come back, come back. That's what my dad said.
Oh yeah, landed on it. They're attracted to bright colors.
I think so. So you're wearing purple. It works for us. It's cool.
I haven't seen this yet.
I don't either.
It's a really pretty one.
Yeah. Or the big blue one. I didn't see that one either.
Oh my gosh,
They're all in the tree, I guess. I see one right there hanging.
Zebra llama.
Yeah. Well, you got the one on me, didn't you?
I did.
Well, that's good enough, I guess. Not really. There's a lot of flowers. Yeah, I doubt it. They probably have their own watering system. Ooh, big drop. All sorts of ponds and stuff for wildlife, I guess. I'm making up stories. What's that, Liz? Tree textures? You can feel it, even though it's plastic. Wow. Mom, over here. Look at the birds. Birds in the back. Kids can? Oh. Stupid kids. It's over there. Oh, big birds. What's in here? Oh, bats. They're probably in the ceiling. Where? I don't see any.
On the ceiling up the way at the back.
Oh, that's them back there.
Yeah.
Couldn't really tell at first. Oh, way up there. I was looking down.
Not mean to do that.
Ew. Snakes. That was so cool. Oh, they're over there looking at bats. I heard that, buddy. What do you want? My mom's over there looking at stuff. Oh my lord. Oh, look, turtles.
The two on the end are fighting. Look at them.
Really?
They're snapping at each other, yeah.
Turtle fight. Let's give them some ooze.
Slow moving bike, yeah.
They'll be ninja turtles then.
That's right.
They're not fighting anymore, Mom. I'm disappointed. Nope, nope, there they are. Zoom out. There they are.
swimming like this thing. It's pretty safe.
Yeah, I know. Well, you know, it's got to hold the pressure of the water back.
Yeah.
That's water weight it's got to support. A lot of big fishes too.
Think it's plastic or you think it's, yeah, it is plastic.
Look, Dad, you can see it really far. Big fishies. Squawking.
What?
They're making it rain.
Oh, they are up there.
Oh, and that short
Yeah. They're walking in the rain. Ooh, waterfall. Nothing. A whole lot of nothing in that little pond.
Have to combine it with
I think it's dying.
Got one of the officers.
Cat whisker vine, Mom. We have them at home. What do you see, Liz? The birds. What are the birds? Oh, sorry.
Supposed to be something in here.
They have large beaks, don't they?
Large ass.
That is not your water.
Indeed it's not.
Kill a fish, Liz.
You filled the fish?
Kill a fish. Kill the fish. Kill the fish. There's more birds to the right, too. Dad, Goldfinger. What? Oh, there's stuff on the bottom, the marble lungfish.
Yeah.
It's way down there.
Yeah.
I see it.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh, I see it.
It's like a snake almost. I lost it now. Where'd it go? There it is. It's not for the exhibit. They're free to walk around.
Afraid like something's gonna jump out at me.
No. Bird might poop on you, but that's it.
What's over here? Nothing?
Nothing, I don't think. It looks kind of trashy. Oh no, it's like a centipede. Giant centipede back in the back.
Ooh, I'll pass.
See it, Mom?
Oh, yeah. It's really gross looking.
There it is. You can barely see it though. Stupid camera. I'm in the shot. What's in here? A blue tweaker? You're a dyke. It's over here. Oh, nothing over here. Just coral creepers. We'll go with Liz.
Wait, Christopher, come back here.
Oh God, almost hit this tree right here. You didn't warn me, Liz. I smell food.
So do I. Look at those.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you didn't see that?
I thought it was like a flower or something.
It's not a flower.
I see you. You see me too, don't you? I thought they were flowers. I swear to God. Hey, Dad. Oh, it's moving. They're on the move. Where's he gonna go next? Oh my God, he can climb the wall. Wow. It's pretty pretty good at that. I'm gonna say he was vertical, Dad.
I bet they could.
You know, I saw him, I thought he was a flower at first.
Really?
He was like sitting on this little thing on the ledge there, a plant.
Hide the plant.
See, they hide in the plants, you think they're a flower. What are they called, Dad?
I don't know.
It's on your right. I don't know. Cayman lizards. It's something else.